I think he actually got the lens. That will be funny though for the clip. Hey! He sees this ball and he's just, yeah, you want to go play? So excited. Didn't realize this is kind of a road. Nice view though. Wind's a little brisk. Hey, stay up here. Stay up here though. We're just gonna throw this a couple times and then we gotta get going, dude. Hey, you're not listening. We got places to be, dude. I had to whiz so bad. Rach said she'd take over when we were waiting in line to get in the park, and I came up here and I said, this isn't even our van. Never sat over here. This feels weird. I mean, I have once or twice. That's
have we ever
about
talked
it.
about that?
I don't think so.
Nate does 100% of the driving. 100.
Oh, yeah, I do. I thought you meant
5%.
other stuff.
No.
Yeah. 70,000 some miles. I've done every single mile. All right, I'll give you guys some footage of the Great Sand Dunes. This is so weird. This ranger is going up to vehicles and looking inside, like at the passenger and the driver's side, but it's only select vehicles. Like there's that silver one. No, didn't look at that. It's so weird. We made it to the park. Time for some din lunch, late lunch, I guess it would be, right? Pork chops, cilantro rice, cilantro.
With an O.
What else? What else we got?
Tiki masala, broccoli, onion.
Yeah, so we drove probably what, 4? Well,
Almost.
with going into the park and out of the park, no, that's an hour, so 5 hours.
I'd say so for sure.
Yeah, at least. I should actually check my phone. It went smooth, but it's just like when you drive.
Can you get your bloody before he hits it?
It's okay. I think he actually got the lens. That will be funny though for the clip. Hey! What you doing? Big sandbox? Every step you take, you gotta, feels like you're taking 3 steps because of the sand. Last 2 seconds. I said I don't remember it being this hard to climb up. Granted, I wasn't in these big hiking boots. I should have just wore some of my shoes. Go barefoot, but then I got to carry these things and they're not light, so. Maybe we're getting old though too, huh? All of us. I'll hold my hand.
It's been 4.5 years since we've been here last, so.
Thank you. Let me see that once. You need some mushers on these puppies, huh? We will do that when we get to the car. Put some cream on them. You want to know why they're like that? Activity. You've been a working dog. Yeah. Oh, you doing a dance? Someone's just acting all tough because he's got 4 paws. He can just barrel right up this, but at least he sits up there and waits and he's like, what's taking you guys so long? What a good boy. Mom and I, on the other hand, are...
Struggle bus.
Yeah. It's a workout.
Come on, people.
This is every step you take. You push down, you push down. It's like you're not even going anywhere.
Going nowhere fast.
Probably doesn't look like much on video, but what a tall order to climb. It's like every step you take, you go back a step. So it's just repeat, repeat, repeat. We're gonna go up there, but that's too steep. You can see where other people have tried to walk up it. So we're gonna go up over to this ridge here and then walk up here. Hopefully catch sunset. You're okay. Stay up there. Twice the workout, dude. You're okay. We're going up that way. Yeah, you're fine. Yeah, we just wanted to see where you were. He's like, I don't care. I love the workout. Look at him go. Just a machine. Good job, babe. Kind of see the van right down in there. Wow, dude, look at that. Oh my god. Two dudes right on that peak over there. Hey, dude! Buddy! 1,000 miles an hour. Yeah, I know. I'll get some bushers on it. So worth it. How cool. Could have stayed up there a little bit longer, but it was getting cold and we got some good shots. It was cool coming back and seeing it. My boots are packed with sand. Who's a good boy? Are you booking it down the hill? Making our way back. The wind has substantially died down. Substantially.
However,
the wind has calmed down.
I have too much sand on me to care about grammar.
Yeah, I went bootless.
A young backpacker at sunset who was just getting in to like get down to his like spot to camp, and like
He said he had to go all the way through the dunes. Like he had to be on the flat land to camp. He had a backpacking permit.
I mean, I don't know how far that'd be, but
Yeah, I mean, if you got a headlamp though, and it's just sand, and you know you're going, you'll set up your tent. What was
he
I
was
gonna
so
say?
nice. He
So
offered to
nice.
take our photo.
Yeah, he took a bunch of photos of us with a professional camera. What's funny is last time we were here, we ran into this gal that's like, hey, can I airdrop a photo or two to you guys? I took some photos as you guys were coming down, and so that was cool. So twice now at Great Sand Dunes.
Ironic. Oh, this is a big hill.
It's not terrible.
It was like totally deceiving.
Yeah, it's getting dark. So yeah, that was cool. Cool to chit chat with him for a while. He's gonna make his way over to Utah and Wyoming. He's just kind of on a trip to go explore and see things. I think he said he'd never been Colorado or Utah.
Didn't really sound like a lot of places.
Yeah, so good for him. He's from Alabama. Said his parents or his dad was kind of worried, and he's like, Dad, I'm gonna go do what I want to do and live life and explore and see new things. Wow. And then another guy came up to us as we were walking. He said, excuse me, and he was just gasped for air. He's like, can I ask you guys a question? We're like, yeah, what's up? And he like, I thought Rachel was right behind me, was catching his breath. And we had just came down this tall ridge. He's like, do you guys know if that goes to this point? He lost his drone. His drone must have went up there, and then he lost connection with it when it went over the last. Look at it from here. Like if you were running up that to go collect your drone,